The biggest issue when it comes to profit taking is that enough is never enough. And that's the problem. When you bring this mindset on financial investing or trading, you are just setting up yourself for failure. Hey guys, welcome to another episode here at Pioneering Profits. And today we're going to talk about the art of taking profits. So, the art, why it's an art to take profits from the markets. Well, if I recall 12 years back, since the first time I started trading, and about 8 years since I started investing, it's been a highly rewarding journey, but at the beginning, it wasn't. So many traders and many investors, they enter this trading world with the expectations to get rewarded. And guess what? Well done. That's amazing. This is how you have to approach trading and investing. There is no point to invest your money if you don't aim for returns and, of course, high returns. So, if you want to put, let's say, on a trade or in an asset to invest, for example, $100, and you don't have in mind at least a number that you're going to take your money out when they're going to grow up to that number, then what's the point to invest or what's the point to trade? So, long story short, if you don't have a plan to take money out of the investment or of the trade, let me tell you what you have. You have a plan to fail in trading as well as in investing. Now, why this is the reality and why unfortunately this is what happening for most of the traders and investors out there, guys. I put traders and investors in the same bracket because both of them, they want to make money out of the financial activity. Okay, so, and I want to make this podcast relevant for both of you. I know you might be a trader. I understand you might be an investor, but at some point you might want to see the other side as well. So the biggest issue when it comes to profit taking is that as humans we live by the motto that enough is never enough. And that's the problem. When you bring this mindset that we live in the real world into the world of on financial investing or trading, you are just setting up yourself for miserable failure. Okay, imagine you go. I remember actually while I used to study in Greece, in the beautiful Thessaloniki, I used to study physics. And one day, one of my friends, he asked me to go and have dinner at Pizza Hut. You pay at that stage, I think it was about 12 or 15 euros per person. And you could eat as much as you want. It was unlimited eating. So, who was the only person could say that, enough is enough here. Now I'm done. It was only you. It was only me. It was only the person who actually was eating. And you come to a point and you say, okay, enough is enough. Now I can't take any more. So I'm just done. And I'm going to leave this place. However, you're walking out of the restaurant to leave. But anyhow, we managed to leave. So in trading and in investing, the reason most of you are leaving your money and your profits on the table, it's because you don't have the limit and the boundaries before you enter the trade. Actually, a smart thing you can find in all platforms is the take profit order. But I often see traders, especially when I do private coaching, oh my God, I see you guys putting your take profits like in the same distance between the earth and the moon. Why? Because you are scared not to uh, be in a huge bull or bearish run. Depends if you buy or sell. So when you operate by this belief into the markets, you are only initiating trades and you just take losing after losing trade, but you don't take profits when the market gives you the profit because you are never satisfied as human. And I understand that. regardless your occupation, your background, regardless whatever you used to do before you enter the world of trading, when every single person invest their money, they become greedy. Let me share a secret with you. It's fine. I'm also greedy when it comes to the markets. I day trade, I swing trade, I invest, I do every single thing. And especially the last 8 years now, when I become more expert and more skillful and I gain better understanding about the markets. But I do never, ever hesitate to grab whatever the market gives in terms of profits. So how can you move into that stage? Many of you are wondering now, so what should I actually do in order to achieve that? And the answer is first to acknowledge that you are trading and investing by this fear of not being able to gain more in case the market gives you more. So imagine you're buying, let's say, the gold, and the price is at 2,800, and you see that there is an uptrend developing, but the market at 2,950, it has a strong all-time high, a strong resistance. And if you are a little bit skillful of reading the chart, you see a bearish reversal, let's say shooting star, printing at that level on the daily or weekly time frame. And you are in the trade and you are in profit. And because you have, let's say, you have a preset of 3 to 1 or 4 to 1 take profit, you don't read the market, you don't see what's going on in the market, and you just let your profit slip away from you. Now, okay, Theo, what about the set and forget rule? Guys, the set and forget rule, it has its purpose. The set and forget, we use it to teach to someone that now it gets started in trading. If you're a beginner trader or investor, set and forget it's for you. You just predetermine the profit target and the stop loss, and that's it. Set and forget the trade. But when you set and forget, you don't go for 4 to 1 and 5 to 1 and 10 to 1. You go for 1 to 1, max 1.5 to 1. In the best case scenario, you go for 2 to 1 reward to risk. If you are risking $100, you go for $200 reward. So when you are facing difficulties to get profits out of the market, when the market makes them available, it's because of your beliefs of what the market should give you, not what the market is actually doing in real time. And your inability to be present in the market and monitor the market and monitor the price action and take decisions when it's time to take the decisions, it's going to just keeping you in that loop. And then you're going to try to watch video after video on YouTube. You want to look left and right to find someone to tell you what to do. And this is how many people, they come to me reaching out, Theo, please help me, I need one-on-one mentorship, and because I have these difficulties in trading. And we just move forward and we work our way to solve these trading errors, let's say. Everyone is capable to take profit, but the reason, again, the main reason is because of your belief of what the market should be. Now, how can you break this pattern? First, you have to accept the market's nature. Now, guys, write this down or note this in your head very well. The market has a specific purpose, and why the market exists. The market, at first glance, it doesn't exist for you and me to go there and interact day trading. Let's say want to you want to trade euro US dollar, for example. So the price of the euro against the price of the US dollar, it's going to be made by a bank that wants to interact some transaction. Now we are talking about the biggest bank in the world. The banks, they actually give the pricing out, if you didn't know that. Okay. Now, when the Feds, they want to fluctuate their interest rates, actually today, I think they already voted about the interest rates in the US. This is the leading factor. At some point, it's going to affect if the euro is going to gain value over the US dollar or the opposite. So at first, when we trade, we use technical analysis and not fundamentals, and it's something that I make it very clear in my trading course. But you cannot trade or invest without understanding the nature of the market. This is gonna, even if you guys, I'm a certified financial market analyst, okay, and I have certifications with distinction awards. I mean, I'm not a random guy. I read the markets upside down, left and right, but this is the biggest part of my trading, but there is also a very small portion which is extremely significant to understand how the market it's going to move based on the fundamental side. Because if you understand the market's capacity and the market's expectation, you're going to bring this into your trading personality, and you're going to create the ideal trading world that will enable you to behave in the financial market as a real trader. And then you're going to see how you're going to make profits. Then you're going to see that you are comfortable of taking 2 to 1, 1.5 to 1, sometimes 1 to 1. And because that's all what the market has to offer. If the market has to offer only one, let's say there is a, you are buying and there is resistance at the distance 1 to 1, you make reward the same as you risk, and you decided to conduct a trading activity and you initiate the trade, guys, I have news for you. That's all what the market has to offer on the retail trading scale. If you are trading with a broker or a broker account, or if you're trading with a prop firm account or in the futures market, guys, it's exactly the same thing. We are not the home-based traders here. We are not the market movers. We don't create the move in the market, so we cannot determine how much high it's going to be the enough. So if you understand this and you start living by this um, reality of the market, then many things in your perspective will change. The way you read the markets will completely change. You're going to see high probability setups, as I like to call them, with price action. Firmly 100% trading the price actions. I don't blindly buy the support or sell the resistance. I don't blindly play the breakout, like to buy the resistance or sell the support. I do that. It's a part of my trading activity and investing activity as well. But everything is about price action. Price action leads everything. Whatever you are trading, smart money concept, down money concept, left money concept, ITI, CTI, whatever is that you are trading, guys. Um, you must become skillful with the price action. Price action will tell you most likely what's going to happen next. And by knowing that information and apply this knowledge, you're going to totally transform your trading. Okay. But everything starts from your understanding and acceptance of what exactly the market is, what exactly enough is enough for the market, not for you, and do and stop living by the belief that one trade it's going to buy you the house, one trade it's going to buy you your dream car, one trade this, one trade that, unless your account and your risk management and the funds you have in your account allows you to trade that scale, which 1% of your account, if you make 1% of your account, is the equivalent amount you need to buy, let's say, your dream house, your dream car, and so on. Okay, but even that, you make sure you respect the trading as a valid, as a as an important business. For me, a professional trader, when I open my platform to start my trading activity for the day, it's like the most serious and important thing. I have to be extremely focused. I have to be extremely disciplined. I don't look on the Instagram or Facebook. I don't check the group channels I have on Telegram. I don't check any messages and emails. Nothing at all. I treat trading with so much respect, and that's why I have the returns and the gains that I have. So learn how to take profits will enable you to approach trading from a different perspective, will enable you to start understanding better how you're going to move forward, because that also is going to increase your confidence if you want to fund more your accounts. But again, everything starts from the basic understanding. Guys, please let me know what's your thoughts. Let me know if you need any guidance, perhaps some books you might can read, or if you want, you can visit our website here at Market Minds Mastery Academy. I have a free book there. If you're just starting your trading, if you need some more personalized direction with your trading, even 20, 30 minutes of my time, please let me know, and I'm I see if I and how I can accommodate it. But definitely start thinking from the market perspective rather than from your um, emotional or willingness perspective, and I'm sure you're going to transform your trading just like a heartbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe in our YouTube channels if you haven't already. You like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know what do you want to cover, what do you need to learn on our next episode here at Pioneering Profits. Bye, everyone.